Alright, hey peoples of YouTube, it's me Alexis. Of course, even though I'm in Eeyore pajamas and a shirt from my costume that I wore as Halloween. But anyways, I am making this video for children who are in need and children who are in need for a smile and a happy holidays, knowing that their families and everybody else is caring and counting on that they are in good hands. Especially by God. Hope you know that, guys. But I hope all the children will love us and get a good laugh about it. It's supposed to be a sound called the acapella sound by Go Fish, a children's Christian band, and they might like it. But anyways, if you want to sing and dance, jump around, all that, act silly, go ahead. That's what makes people happy. Also, but anyways, hope you enjoy it. Take a look. No! Barnacles. Okay. I'm 10 years old, my daddy said to me, do that. He said, you can be whatever you want to be. The right way, what I had to do. Say rock comedy, and that's the truth. I like to sing, I like to dance, I like to jump around, I like to make you smile, I like how to sound. Praise the Lord, my hands, praise the Lord, my feet. We harmonize, so no, it can't be beat. I'm older now, but my feelings are the same. And I never feel I call upon his name. And missing you rocking when I'm feeling fine. But Jesus is the reason that we're here tonight. I like to sing, I like to dance, I like to jump around, and I like to make you smile, I like how to sound. Praise the Lord, my hands, praise the Lord, my feet. And feel like it can harmonize, no, it can't be beat. Waka, 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 waka. On the bow, 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 on the bow. Sing, yeah. I like to sing and dance, yeah. Come on, dance, people. I like to harmonize, clap my hands. Ooh, yeah. I see, I like to dance, I like to jump around, and like me smile, I like how to sound. Praise the Lord, my hands, praise the Lord, my feet. And I feel like it, we harmonize, no, it can't be beat. I praise the Lord, my hands, praise the Lord, my feet. And I feel like it, we harmonize, like it, we harmonize, so we harmonize. No, it can't be beat. Hope you like it, children. Have a happy holidays.